Hello, welcome to Liagle Tapeless drywall finishing. So today I'm going to talk about the premixed tapeless drywall mat on flat joint. So this is the tapers joint, we call it flat joint, that I did yesterday. Now it's joint, so I'll take you to have a closer look and we go from there. Thank you. This is the tapers joint I did with premixed tapeless mat yesterday. Now it's dry, so you can see a line along the joint and you can see the nail holes, and that is what happens with the premixed mat, because it has water in it. So when the water is gone, then the mat shrinks and there is nothing you can do to stop that. But anyway, so actually you can take a look here. So it shrinks just a little bit, and then I can give it one coat of finishing mat, so it'll be good. Because actually with this tapeless mat, because there are fibers in the mat, so after final sanding, sometime in some spots you can see some hairy stuff on the surface. So with this much space you can see the airline. So the finishing mat is going to cover the tapeless mat. So in that way we can have less hairy stuff on the wall.